Hey everybody, so today we're in downtown Parksville and we're gonna go down to the beach and we're gonna show you the beach and how totally beautiful it is. So come on, let's get going. It's gonna be a ton of fun. It's awesome weather out. So we're down at the beach, and just before you get on the beach there's a really cool huge park. I will try to record a little bit of it for you. It's a huge park. It has a water park on it. There's washrooms over here. So I'm at the start of the boardwalk and we're gonna walk to the other side where there's a huge maze on the ground. It's really neat. And we're probably gonna go out and walk out on the beach. The tide is out super far. We can hear crickets everywhere. It's pretty cool. All the kids are back at school now, so it's way nicer to walk around and easier. There's a video of the beach. The tide is out super far. We'll probably go and walk down there, let you guys see how pretty it is. Anyway, come on, let's go. Hey everyone. So there are these really nice, I'm not sure if they're hotels or condos behind me. They're super pretty. They're right on the water. Which would be pretty cool to live there. And there's a bunch of camper, you can put your camper trailer things up here. They're right across from the beach too. Come on, let's go in the sand. Wow, it is so pretty. We're just taking a little pit stop to walk out on the beach and then we'll go back onto the boardwalk for you to see. But it is so nice walking in the water, the ocean water. It is so quiet here right now. I absolutely love it. I just love coming out into the sand, walking around in it. It's perfect. Man, the island has so many beautiful beaches. Back out onto the boardwalk. This is a beautiful boardwalk. You get to walk on about half of the walk along the beach. Up to the boardwalk it turns into a sidewalk. So you have to enjoy it while you're on it. So in August, this is usually where the sandcastle competition is, right here. Super cool. I've been to it quite a few times. The sun castles are spectacular. It's crazy how people can build stuff like that. But yeah. It's this neat little path that you can walk through between this long grass. And it's so quiet out here today. There's tons of driftwood out on the beach. I just love all the beaches that are on the island. They're so pretty. They're so long. This is such a nice little walk. It's super nice out. Come on, let's keep going. Let's go. Tree. I think it's a white birch tree. Look at this huge arbutus tree. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. So we're gonna walk over to the maze. We're at the end of the walk. Go this way. Passion has all these super cute little words. Trust. There's a A little seashell in the center. If you go over this way, there is a ton of little rock things that people have built along here. These are so cute. There's so many now. They're all along here. It's pretty cool. So we're at the end of the walk now. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you watch my next video. Bye!